Hello Horistars. Welcome to my channel, Hindi Horizon. Today we will learn some basic verbs in this video. So let's start. Wake up means Jaagna. Wake up means Jaagna. Jaagna. Toothbrush means Datun. Toothbrush means Datun. Datun. Shower means Nahana. Shower means Nahana. Nahana. Breakfast means Naashta. Breakfast means Naashta. Naashta. Eat means Khaana. Eat means Khaana. Khaana. Exercise means Vyayam. Exercise means Vyayam. Vyayam. Hand wash means Hath dhona. Hand wash means Hath dhona. Hath dhona. Water means Pani. Water means Pani. Pani. Walk means Chalna. Walk means Chalna. Chalna. Run means Dodna ya bhagna. Run means Dodna ya bhagna. Dodna ya bhagna. Come means Ana. Come means Ana. Ana. Cloth means Kapra. Cloth means Kapra. Kapra. Wear means Pehenna. Wear means Pehenna. Pehenna. Dry means Sukhana. Dry means Sukhana. Sukhana. Wet means Gila. Wet means Gila. Gila. Sit means Baithna. Sit means Baithna. Baithna. Stand means Khada hona. Stand means Khada hona. Khada hona. Sweep means Jhadu lagana. Sweep means Jhadu lagana. Jhadu lagana. Mop means Pocha lagana. Mop means Pocha lagana. Pocha lagana. Help means Madad. Help means Madad. Madad.